Hi, Isaac. How are you? You happy boy? Oh my goodness. Look at you jump. You go higher? Oh, you're doing a good workout today. Can you smile? Yeah, jump. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Hello. Oh. Can I have a smile? Hey, Isaac. Can Mama have a smile? Here's my smiles, yeah. Here's my smiles. Here's my smiles. Hey, you. Hey, you. Hey, you. Oh, let's stop for a second. Say hello. Say hello. Mum. Hi. Okay, say bye-bye.